Hello, and welcome to our video on automation technology for mass production. In today's video, we'll be discussing how automation technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, and how it's being used to increase efficiency and reduce costs. What is automation technology for mass production? Automation technology for mass production refers to the use of machines and robots to automate manufacturing processes, from assembly and packaging to quality control and logistics. This technology is used to reduce human error, improve efficiency, and increase productivity. Benefits of automation technology for mass production. Reduced labor costs. Automation technology eliminates the need for manual labor, reducing labor costs and increasing profit margins. Improved efficiency. Machines and robots can work faster and more consistently than humans, leading to improved efficiency and productivity. Better quality control. Automation technology can identify and fix quality issues in real time, reducing the likelihood of defective products being shipped to customers. Flexibility and scalability. Automated systems can be easily adjusted to accommodate changes in demand or product specifications. Examples of automation technology in mass production. Assembly line robots. These robots can perform repetitive tasks like welding, painting, and packaging, reducing the need for human intervention. 3D printing. This technology can create parts and products with high precision and consistency, reducing the need for manual labor and assembly. Automated storage and retrieval systems. These systems can store and retrieve products automatically, reducing the need for manual labor in logistics and warehousing. Challenges and considerations for adopting automation technology in mass production. High initial investment. The cost of purchasing and installing automation technology can be significant, making it a challenging decision for some manufacturers. The need for specialized skills. The use of automation technology requires specialized skills and knowledge, and companies may need to invest in training their workforce. Job displacement. The use of automation technology may lead to job displacement, and companies may need to consider how to support their employees during this transition. Conclusion. Automation technology has revolutionized the manufacturing industry, and it's becoming increasingly important for companies to adopt these technologies to remain competitive. While there are challenges and considerations to keep in mind, the benefits of automation technology for mass production are clear: reduced costs, improved efficiency, and better quality control. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.